Gonna start prepping the garden here shortly. Just didn't do a winter garden, just left everything sitting out here over the winter, and I'll pick some of it. Right now I'm collecting some seeds from this, what was a Shiso or Perilla. Got seed pods here. I'm just gonna scrape those off. Get those off into my little collection jug here. I done got a bunch of them. This thing's really, well, since they're family of the mint, they still smell like mint seeds. I just let them sitting out here all winter long. And just pull those off the stem here. And I'll start these inside probably this weekend. Should have more than enough seeds, huh? That's not all of them. I still got more down here on the plant. So even if a portion of those germinate, we're good. Had to drive 35 miles to get this thing last year. Probably paid too much for it, but we'll see if we can't grow some more this year. They're all over the ground here. I'll clean these off inside where I can actually see them over some paper towels. Figured if even a portion of these germinate, which they should, we'll be good to go with the Shiso this year. I'll probably give some to some friends or something. They're probably going to sprout all over the ground here because there's a lot of them on the ground. And then once it warms up some more, still got to till this whole thing. Till it and prep it where I'm going to put what. Alright, that's it for that. That's it for our perilla. Or what was our perilla right here. That's the eggplant over there. That's the perilla down here, or what was. Thing really grew last year. Alright, you guys take care.